Huh?
At least I know where I'm going though.
Damn gang, we out here. Got my Pontiac, I'm about to show y'all.
Let's show him this. Show him this.
Resante alloys. That's some tools right there. We got my Pontiac over there about to install a drive shaft so we can get that thing moving. Drive shaft in the back.
Like that.
It don't lock. Feeling good. Feeling good. I'm about to leave in the car. But I got my drive shaft for my Pontiac.
Now why you ain't driving?
I gotta put a drive shaft in. That's what I'm about to do right now.
Those seats lift up.
She's folded back.
Daddy,
Yep.
look, this thing almost bigger than me.
Mm-hmm. Look about y'all. The critters in that grass. So I'm about to put a drive shaft in this so I can get this bed moving.
Ah, my slippers.
The worst thing is the roof.
Yeah.
That's the worst thing. Take the vine off.
Thing.
Dirty now.
Don't you need to put right here? Then you need to fix it.
And the seat still so.
Huh? Ooh, so fuzzy. Chico.
Let me try to start it up. Let me see. 1985 Pontiac Parisienne, or whatever it's called. Yeah, see what it's working with. You know the battery. I disconnected the battery. Voila, I did it. Try it again. All right. My drive shaft back in.
My daddy right here looking for his screw.
See that? I dropped the screw. Now it's a 5-minute job turned to 30 minutes.
Wow. Can you do it? That's how you. Peanut!
What?
Peanut.
Oh, damn peanut. Yeah.
One eternity later.
Oh, ta-da!
Ta-da!
They got rare things. Metal thing.
It's real. So I'm finishing up my drive shaft. Just put it in a Pontiac. So
Look, this is a golden rock.
oh, it sure is. It's gonna make gold. I don't know. But yeah, I got the drive shaft. I took it to the shop. Got some new U joints. That's why I got this tape and shit on it. So the drive shaft is in. So I'm finally be able to move this car if I'm able to start it up. Which
Don't start it up.
don't start it up.
No.
Well,
Comment down below if you want my dad to start his
like
Nike car up.
to start the car up. What you telling them?
If you want, comment down below if daddy should come
If I should start it up?
start the
Y'all heard it.
raggedy car.
Like right now, if I should start this raggedy car up. I don't know. What's what? I think this is the key. Fucking battery. Weak as fuck.
What?
Let's record it. See if you can record it when it starts up.
Start it again?
I don't know, let me see. Probably battery dead, that's probably what it is. Let's see if we got anything. Nothing yet. I can't even start the Pontiac up. The battery's dead, so I had to take it to AutoZone, get the battery charged right quick. So start it up right quick for y'all, just to let you know it start up. You know what I'm saying? The exhaust isn't connected, so that bitch will be kind of loud.